Lesson 1. Pronunciation.
A, B, D, U, E, F, G, H, L, K, I, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z.
Vowels. Letters.
A,
As in flag.
Wa,
To come.
Ö, Bedre,
Big.
E,
As in pet.
Jella,
Eggs.
I,
As in pity.
B,
Measles.
I, Pitge,
To shell.
O,
As in cocoa.
Boko,
Whole.
U,
As in book.
Zugu,
Head.
O, Lure,
Green pigeon. Consonants. Letters.
B,
As in boy.
B,
There.
D,
As in day.
Dare,
Day.
F,
As in Fred.
Foam,
You.
G,
As in girl.
Gare,
Indigo.
H,
As in hot.
Hato,
Sunday.
K,
As in kind.
Ko,
To cultivate.
L,
As in lot.
Lipsy,
To give back.
M,
As in man.
Mane,
To do.
N,
As in new.
Nwaga,
Chicken.
P,
As in poor.
Pore,
Back.
R,
As in rock.
Rogo,
House.
S,
As in sweet.
Suga,
Knife.
V,
As in vital.
Vim,
Life.
W,
As in wrong.
Woku,
Long.
Y,
As in young.
Yaga,
Basket.
Z,
As in zoom.
Zodo,
Friendship. Above all, it is essential that you take advantage of the native speakers and listen carefully. This is the best pronunciation guide. Lesson 2. Vocabulary on greetings. Person.
Neda,
Teacher.
Karem Samba,
Heat.
Tulga,
Fatigue.
Yamse,
To greet.
Pusi,
Greetings.
Pusgo,
Good morning.
Ne Ibelgo,
To pass the day.
Isonsga,
Family.
Zakramba,
Body.
Nisi,
To be.
Ya,
Work.
Tuma,
Coldness.
Waudu,
Evening.
Yungu,
Until. Only.
Hal Ntitag,
Sleep.
Gusi,
All.
Fa,
Student.
Karembiga,
How.
112,
Response to ni biogo.
Ibo kibare.
Problem.
Yelle.
Okay.
Yel kaye.
Midday.
Ni winga.
House. Family.
Zakramba.
Good afternoon.
Ni zabre.
Children.
Kwamba.
Lesson 3. Typical greetings. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Ni ibero. Igusa soma.
Yes, my health is good.
Lafi bala.
How is your house and your family?
La zakramba.
Everyone in my house is well.
Okay, mami.
How are you feeling?
La inis ganse.
I'm feeling good.
Lafi bala.
How is your work?
La itum kibare.
No problem.
Yel kaye.
Okay, see you later.
Ya soma. When I call beautiful.
Don't undertake anything without greeting people first. Greet everybody in a group with appropriate gestures for the greetings. Make a difference between formal and informal greetings. Always give positive answers in greetings, even if you are not well. You can always thank God. It could be much worse. Whenever someone asks in greetings,
Lafi bemi.
respond.
Lafi bala.
Bala is just a term that adds emphasis to any statement. Examples: in good health,
Lafi.
in very good health.
Lafi bala.
Introducing oneself. My name is Jake.
Mamiula ajek.
What is your name?
For you la boy.
My name is Miriam.
Mamiula Mariam.
I am Burkinabe.
Mamia Burkinabe.
And you?
Lafo.
I'm American.
Mamia American.
I am a teacher. And you?
Mamia Karesamba. Lafo.
I am a doctor.
Mamia Loktori.
Lesson 4. Benedictions. Traveling.
So kendra pusro.
May God protect you.
Wena gufo.
May God let you go in health.
Wena siku flafi.
May God show us each other.
Wena willigit taba.
May God take you in health.
Wena tasu flafi.
Comforting the ill.
Bad pusro.
May God bring you betterness.
Wena yolse.
May God add to your bitterness.
Wena pas lafi.
May God bring health.
Wena kon lafi.
Celebrations.
Tiga.
May God show us next year.
Wena kon venre.
May God show us next year in health.
Wena kon venre ni lafi.
Weddings.
Kadem.
May God give them long life.
Wena lugul konyu songo.
May God bring them children.
Wena kon bark kwamba.
Baptisms.
Zulu kri sobo.
May God make the child live.
Wena gulang kwaya.
May God give the child long life.
Wena kon biga nyowoko.
May God bless the child.
Wena chiti biga yi bark biga.
Funerals.
Kure.
May God pardon them.
Wena yafa.
May God bless them.
Wena mangaring tauri.
May God bring heaven to earth for him.
Wena rega arzena.
In general, congratulations on your coming from a trip.
Yela.
Yearly celebrations.
Yum tiga.
Congratulations on the changing year.
Ne tabu.
Congratulations on the party.
Ne tabu.
Congratulations on drinking water for Ramadan.
Ne tabu.
Weddings and baptisms.
Kadem zulukri bisobo.
Congratulations on the wedding.
Ne paungo.
Congratulations in general.
Ne paungo.
Congratulations on giving birth for baptisms.
Yel ni moro.
When escaping death or misfortune.
Mpons yele.
Congratulations in general.
Wena ma zunogo.
On certain occasions, you may use
Ne zunogo.
or literally, good luck. If you have a near-death experience and survive, you have reached
Zunogo.
Lesson 5. Expressions for leaving. See you later.
Wena kod bilfu.
See you tomorrow.
Wena kod beogo.
See you someday.
Wena kod yindari.
Until you return.
Wena leboglafi.
See you in a year.
Wena kod venre.
May we sleep in health.
Wena kitid naked tore.
May we sleep with blessing.
Wena ganigid lafi.
Any greeting starting with wenna is answered with amina. Lesson 6. Dialogue on greetings. Good morning.
Ni ibogo.
Good morning.
Ibo kibare.
Did you sleep well?
Lafi bala. Igusa soma.
Fine, thank you.
Lafi.
How is the family?
La izakramba.
They're all doing fine.
Obia lafi.
How was your work?
Itum kibare.
No problems at all.
Lafi bala yelkaye.
How are you feeling?
Inyis ganse.
I'm feeling well.
Lafi bala.
Good. How is your wife?
Ipake mami.
She's fine. And yours?
Ake mami. La nyame nenge.
She's doing well.
Yelkaye aya lafi.
Okay, see you later.
Wena kod bilfu.
Okay, with blessings.
Amina.
Lesson 7. Expressions. I'm fine.
Lafi baby.
See you later.
Wena kod bilfu.
See you tomorrow.
Wena kod beogo.
See you another day.
Wena kod yindari.
Until you return.
Wena leboglafi.
Good night.
Wena ganaglafi.
May we sleep with blessing.
Wena ganaglafi.
Happy New Year.
Wena kod venre.
Response to Buona convere.
Amina.
Greetings according to different moments of the day. How did you sleep?
Igusa soma.
How was the morning?
Ibo kibare.
How is the day going by?
Isonsga.
How is the afternoon?
Izabri kema.
How is the evening?
Iyum ya lafi.
How are you?
Lafi bemi.
How's your health?
Inyis gase.
How's the household?
La izakramba.
How is the courtyard?
La izaka.
How's work?
La itum kibare.
Is business going well?
Itum ya soma.
How's life?
Yel bombe. Lai ni I.
In Mooré means how. Remember to answer with la fibala to each of the above greetings. Out of the first 6 sentences for greetings, the 3 important times are in the
Yibeogo.
morning,
Zabre.
in the afternoon, and
Yungo.
in the evening. Lesson 8. Days of the week and months of the year. Days of the week. Monday,
Tene.
Tuesday,
Talato.
Wednesday,
Arba.
Thursday,
Alkamusa.
Friday,
Arzuma.
Saturday,
Sibri.
Sunday.
Hatu.
Months of the year: January,
Yum vekre.
February,
Waw fugudugu.
March,
Tulgo.
April,
Tul nifu.
May,
Signoy.
June,
Sigri.
July,
Sengo.
August,
Sasika.
September,
Bombiungo.
October,
Zilikri.
November,
Si Paulugo.
December.
Yum sare.
Asking for the date. What day is it?
Runda ya boindari.
Today is Monday.
Runda ya tene.
Lesson 9. Expressions of time. Time.
Wakatu.
When?
Wakat bogo.
Today.
Runda.
Later on.
Senye beautiful.
At noon.
Wintogo.
After sunset.
Zabre.
Ago.
Senloge.
A while ago.
Rasmawan senloge.
2 weeks ago.
Rapigla nune.
A long time ago.
Senkause.
Not so long ago.
Senkakause.
Next month.
Porenkiugu.
Next year.
Venre.
Soon.
Senkakause.
Yesterday.
Zame.
The day before yesterday.
Rabite.
At that moment.
Wakat kanga.
Last year.
Rien.
The year before last.
Yumbite.
Tomorrow.
Beogo.
The day after tomorrow.
Raita.
2 days from now.
Raptata.
Lesson 10. Numbers.
Gela.
All numbers inferior to 10 are preceded by the personal pronoun
A.
1,
Ayembre.
2,
Ayibu.
3,
Atabo.
4,
Anase.
5,
Anu.
6,
Ayobe.
7,
Ayopoi.
8,
Ani.
9,
Awe.
10,
Piga.
11,
Pigla aye.
12,
Pigla ayi.
13,
Pigla atan.
14,
Pigla anase.
15,
Pigla anu.
16,
Pigla ayobe.
17,
Pigla ayopoi.
18,
Pigla ani.
19,
Pigla wai.
20.
Pisi.
Lesson 11. Numbers 20 through 1 million. 20,
Pisi.
21,
Pisi la aye.
22,
Pisi la ayi.
30,
Pista.
40,
Pisnase.
50,
Pisnu.
60,
Pisiobe.
70,
Pisiopoi.
80,
Pisni.
90,
Piswai.
100,
Kwabga.
101,
Kwabagla aye.
102,
Kwabagla ayi.
110,
Kwabagla piga.
111,
Kwabagla pigla aye.
120,
Kwabagla pisi.
200,
Kobisi.
250,
Kobisi la pisnu.
1000,
Tusri.
1001,
Tusri la aye.
1200,
Tusri la kobisi.
2001,
Tusayi la aye.
2010,
Tusayi la piga.
999,999,
Kobisuwai la pisuwai la awe.
1 million.
Million aye.
Lesson 12. Money. Change.
Baunigo.
To buy.
Nra.
To sell.
Nkose.
Money.
Ligdi.
Rich person.
Rakari.
Poor person.
Talga.
to spend.
Religdi.
Coins.
Baonigo.
The money system in Mooré is not at all difficult if you have learned the regular numbers, and if you keep in mind that where the French count by fives, 5 francs, 10 francs, etc., the Mosi count by ones. The name for the 5-franc piece in Mooré is
Wakiri.
Actually, the best way to get it straight is to avoid mathematics and think only of the Mooré system. If you see a 100-franc coin, think,
Wakir pisi.
it may seem difficult, but it will come in time. 5 francs.
Wakira ye.
10 francs.
Wakira yibu.
15 francs.
Wakira tabo.
20 francs.
Wakira nase.
25 francs.
Wakira nu.
30 francs.
Wakira yobe.
35 francs.
Wakira yopoi.
40 francs.
Wakira ni.
45 francs.
Wakira we.
50 francs.
Wakir piga.
55 francs.
Wakir pigla ye.
60 francs.
Wakir pigla yi.
65 francs.
Wakir pigla tan.
70 francs.
Wakir pigla nase.
75 francs.
Wakir pigla nu.
80 francs.
Wakir pigla yobe.
85 francs.
Wakir pigla yopoi.
90 francs.
Wakir pigla ni.
95 francs.
Wakir pigla we.
100 francs.
Wakir pisi.
105 francs.
Wakir pisi la ye.
110 francs.
Wakir pisi la yi.
125 francs.
Wakir pisi la nu.
150 francs.
Wakir pista.
175 francs.
Wakir pista la nu.
200 francs.
Wakir pis nase.
250 francs.
Wakir pis nu.
300 francs.
Wakir pis yobe.
350 francs.
Wakir pis yopoi.
400 francs.
Wakir pis ni.
450 francs.
Wakir pis we.
500 francs.
Wakir kwabaga.
1,000 francs.
Wakir kobisi.
5,000 francs.
Wakir tusri.
Note, the each, or a piece, as in 5 francs each, is expressed in Mooré by repeating the number twice. For example, how much a piece?
Ya wana.
5 francs each.
Ya nunu.
10 francs each.
Ya yibu.
15 francs each.
Ya tabo.
Etc. Lesson 13. Vocabulary. Things.
Tedo.
Woman's headscarf.
Pende.
Matches.
Makese.
Beggar.
Buansa.
Hat.
Zugpeogo.
Canary.
Yure.
Market.
Raga.
Rope.
Futu.
Shirt.
Fuyorgo.
Pants.
Kuruga.
Batteries.
Pili.
Soap.
Safande.
Shoes.
Nueda.
Perfume.
Parfum.
Food and ingredients.
Ribla zebisi.
Onions.
Jaba.
Candy.
Bum bum.
Bread.
Buri.
Beignet.
Samsa.
Salt.
Yamsim.
Dates.
Tamaro.
Peanuts.
Nanguri.
White yam.
Busa.
Beans.
Benga.
Fritters.
Burmasa.
Manioc flour.
Bandakuzum.
Calabash.
Wamde.
Kola nut.
Gure.
Egg.
Gelle.
Meat.
Nemdo.
Fish.
Zim.
Millet.
Kazui.
Water.
Kom.
Oil.
Kam.
Corn.
Kamana.
Sweet potato.
Nayunodo.
Okra.
Mana.
Orange.
Lemburi.
Lemon.
Lembur misnga.
Mango.
Mangoro.
Pancakes.
Masa.
Rice.
Mui.
Manioc.
Bandaku.
Lettuce.
Salade.
Fried millet beignets.
Mas beda.
Sugar.
Sikari.
Tomato.
Tomate.
Hot pepper.
Kipare.
Milk.
Beans.
Honey.
Siru.
Lesson 14. Measurements. Qualities. Expensive.
Togo.
Nice.
Soma.
New.
Pale.
Old.
Kudre.
Shining.
Sempinde.
Quantities. Huge.
Usgo.
Big.
Bedre.
A lot.
Usgo.
A little.
Bilfu.
Thin.
Banega.
Medium.
Senzemse.
Lesson 15. Asking for prices. Expressing want. I don't want anything.
Mparat bafuye.
I'm just having a look.
Mgeta mi bala.
How much is this one?
Ya wan la kada soba.
How much is...
Ya wan la.
How much really?
Ya wan la hakika.
It's expensive.
Ya Togo.
It's cheap.
Ya Nana.
Give me some more.
Managan koma.
Cash.
Venga.
Reduce the price, please.
Boga ligda.
I agree.
Sakami.
Here's the money.
Ad ligda.
I'm penniless.
Katar bawa kire.
It's bitter. Expensive.
A ligda ya Togo.
Where?
Yeni.
I can't afford it.
Ligda kataye.
I can afford it.
Ligda tami.
Go and come back.
Kenglam lebgwa.
Different types.
Bud tori.
Lesson 16. Expressing needs. I'd like.
Mamrata.
I don't want.
Karat.
I need.
Mamrata.
I want to.
Rat.
Give me.
Koma.
Let's see.
Timgese.
To be happy.
Sur no mami.
To be unhappy.
Sur kanom ye.
Kind person.
Ni songo.
Bad person.
Ni yogo.
Childish.
Nyadre.
Happiness.
Sunogo.
Unhappiness.
Susanga.
Good for nothing.
Ni yalga.
To be intelligent.
Yam swaba.
Unhappiness. Sorrow.
Sunkanonga.
Joy.
Sunogo.
You are wrong.
Ufkatar boom ye.
I am angry with you.
Sur kanom nefye.
He is the strongest.
Ya ninkenga.
He is charismatic.
Ya nintirga.
He is not charismatic.
Ka nintirgye.
I have recovered.
Msaumi.
You're right.
Ftarabu.
Lesson 17. Dialogue on bargaining. Good morning, shopkeeper.
Ni ibeo butika soba.
Good morning, Binta. What do you want?
Ibeo kibare binta. Boela frata.
I want soap. How much is it?
Mrata safande. Ya wan la ligda.
150 francs.
Ya pista.
Okay, here's 200 francs. Give me the change.
Oh, ad pisna se. Komam baunaga.
Here's your change.
Hanif baunaga.
See you later.
When I look raga.
See you later.
Amina.
Lesson 18. Weather. Useful expressions. Today it's hot and humid.
Runda ziga ya tuluk la zisgo.
Today it's hot.
Runda ziga ya tulgo.
Today it's cold.
Runda ya waudu.
Today it's sunny.
Runda ya wintogo.
Today it's windy.
Runda ya sebgo.
Today it's stormy.
Runda ya saga.
Seasons. Rainy season.
Sengo.
Dry season.
Tuluk kiugo.
Harvest season.
Bombiungo.
Hot, muggy season before the rain comes.
Signoi.
Lesson 19. The verb to be. I am a volunteer.
Mam ya volontaire.
You are a teacher.
Fo ya karesamba.
I am a forester.
Mam ya tis naba.
I am American.
Mam ya American.
I am Burkinabe.
Mam ya Burkinabe.
Musa is a nice person.
Amusa ya ni songo.
Ali is a short person.
A Ali ya ni kwaiga.
Adamu is a tall person.
A Adamu ya ni woko.
Sarah is at home.
A Sara bezake.
I am at the office.
Mambe tu mazige.
You are in New York.
Fo be New York.
Isa is in the house.
A Aisa be roga poge.
The children are at school.
Kwamba be karemzakenwa.
We are in the car.
Tom be kara poge.
They are on the motorbike.
Bambe motera zugu.
There is money.
Ligd be mi.
Kimberly is there.
A Kimberly beka.
There are volunteers in Bobo.
Volontaire ambombe bobu.
The different forms of the verb to be are,
Ya.
which is used when you speak of your nationality, your profession, or character or description. The second form of the verb to be is,
Be.
it is used for location. The third form of the verb to be is,
Be mi.
which means there is. Lesson 20. The verb to have. The Mooré equivalent of the verb to have is,
Tara.
for its affirmative form. It has the same conjugation for all the nominative pronouns. I have a book.
Mam tara sebre.
You have a car.
Fo tara mombili.
She has a house.
A tara zaka.
I have money.
Mam tara ligdi.
He has a horse and a donkey.
A tara wed moaga la buanga.
The negative form of the verb to have is,
Katariye.
and it has the same conjugation for all the nominative pronouns. I don't have any money.
Mam katar ligdie.
They don't have a car.
Ob katar mombilie.
You lack strength.
Fo katar pangie.
I have no money.
Mam katar ligdie.
He does not have a horse.
A katar wed moarie.
Some useful structures. I would like to.
Mam rat
I would like to go to Bobo.
Mam rat kenga bobo.
I would like you to eat a banana.
Mam rat ri barende.
I would like to see you.
Mam rat nyafo.
I would like to rest.
Mam rat vusame.
Negation. I don't want to go to Bobo.
Karat keng boboye.
You don't want to rest.
Fo karat vusye.
I don't want to leave.
Mam karat lorie.
The negative form of
Rat
is
karat
expressing needs. John needs to study.
Ajan rat karmame.
We need to sleep.
Ton rat gusame.
You need a Coke.
Fo rat koka.
He needs to rest.
A rat vusame.
Negation. I don't need to play.
Mam karat revye.
Omar doesn't need a beer.
A Omar karat bierye.
Amina doesn't need a book.
A Amina karat sebriye.
You don't need a cigarette.
Fo karat sigari.
The form of
Rat Rat
is a form that is used to express needs. It is
rat
to want plus a verb plus a noun or
rata.
plus a noun. Lesson 21, past tense. Joe bought a hat in the market.
A jura puglurage.
Musa fell into a hole.
A musa li bok pogen.
Jennifer went to Ouagadougou yesterday.
A Jennifer kenga wogdozame.
The kids entered the courtyard.
Kwamba ken zaka poga.
The negative form of the past tense is
Ka
plus verb plus object plus
ye.
yesterday I didn't go to the market.
Zame mka kengragen ye.
Fred didn't go to class.
A Fred ka keng karen ye.
Jennifer did not go to Ouagadougou yesterday.
A Jennifer ka keng wogdozame ye.
The kids did not enter the courtyard.
Kwamba ka ken zaka pogen ye.
Congratulations!
Barka.
You are now well on your way to speaking Mooré, and your training will be all that much easier because of it. We look forward to seeing you in Burkina Faso.